In new moon day to full moon day, it is known as Shukla Paksha, therefore it is known as a Shukla Yajur Veda. And if it is performing, means यहाँ पे whiteness is coming, and full moon day, Purnima to Amasya, full moon day to new moon day, it is going to become black, Amavasya. It is known as what? Krishna Paksh, and it is known as a Krishna Yajur Veda. So it has been divided into what? Shukla Yajur Veda, and which Yajur Veda? Yes, tell me. Krishna Yajur Veda. And then person who recites this is, and there are rituals and sacrifices. Understood it? Next one I said that Atharva Veda. Which one I said that? Atharva Veda. In the Atharva Veda, it is not supposed to be the part of this. So it is Atharva Veda is not a tribe, but it is it believes in magical powers. It believes in magical powers, tantricism. It believes in what? Magical powers, tantricism, this kind of things. Okay? So tantras, mantras and all these things are there. And then इसीलिए पर्सन यहाँ पे जाते हैं अपने किस चीज को दूर करने के लिए, टू रिमूव व्हाट इज ना, या गेट ऑफ फ्रॉम एविल्स, रिमूव एविल्स. And also they are also giving some kind of medicine, बोलते हैं, because of on the basis of that your what is a disease can heal. Yes, so it is known as what is an oldest book for what is I said that medicine. And then they used to give some kind of ashes and all. So it is an oldest book for medicine. Oldest book for medicine. Atharva Veda. In the Atharva Veda, the community, those who are following it, और आज के डेट में भी हमारे हिंदुस्तान में फिर से ऐसे लोगों को फॉलो करने वाले लोग ज्यादा हैं. Because they believe on their karma very less. So they believe on magics. Yes or not? My son is not getting selection. Reason behind someone has done something. Yes? In the class 10th, my son was very much intelligent. 11th, you know that. You are not able to guide your son in better manner after the 11th and 12th onwards. Someone has done my kids. Yes? And then throughout his life, the parents used to what? Destroy his life. On making him to believe that I am in a good, but he knows that, the kid knows that I did wrong something. During the 11th and 12th, I was busy in something. I was not giving a full time in my study. And at the same time, sometimes kids are not able to say to their parent that I did this kind of mistake. I need this thing, Papa. So the parent, there is a miscommunication between I said that. So यहाँ पर क्या हो जाता है? They started, उनकी संख्या ज्यादा हो जाती है. किसकी संख्या ज्यादा हो जाती है? Yes, ऐसे लोगों की संख्या, और बाद में ये क्या बन जाते हैं? पापी. They become what? They become पापी. You know that the people, those who does sin, known as पापी. So sankhya means numbers. This kind of people. So Sankhya, which community is following it? Sankhya and Papi. Pipeline. These are the two communities who are following this. Which are the two communities who are following it? Sankhya community and Pipeline. Understood? Which are the two community? And then I said that. So mantra is magic spells, following the superstition. जहाँ पे भी word आ जाए. Can you connect it with this Vajrayana? Yes. Can you connect with the Saivites? Aghoris, जब भी word आए तो there is an UPSC can ask which are the things which are similar in the form of Atharva Veda. तो आप जहाँ पे अघोरी आ जाए, if there is an Saivites, and then you can be able to talk about Vajrayana. The Vajrayana itself is talking about magic. It is talking about the salvation. It is in a Hinayana, Mahayana, there is a Vajrayana, Thervada. The Vajrayana is talking about what is it? Getting salvation Through the magical powers. It is talking about getting salvation through which power? Magical powers. So I said that, and those community who is following Samkhya and Paiplad. And it is not necessary hymns. They are not in the tribe. They are not the tribe. Tribe means Rig Veda, Samveda and Yasurveda. They are not tribe. And there is 20 kandas. How many kandas? Like mandala, there is chapters. How many chapters? 20. And the 18th, 19th and 20th were what is an added letter. Understood? And is believes in evils, freedom from this, and then oldest text on medicine. So we have seen this, and this is known as which period? Mantra period. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Mantra period. And after that mantra period, which comes? Brahmana period. Which try to make these Vedas or Samhitas. These are also known as what? These four are known as Samhitas. Where the Vedas or Samhitas has to be make what is easy for you, and therefore which period comes? Brahmana period. Brahmanas. And under the Brahmanas we can be able to see first itself Brahmana. Then I talked about Aranyakas, and then I said Upanishad. Brahmanas. Brahmanas are talking about Brahmanas under the Brahmana period. Brahmana period. Brahmanas are talking about clear cut meaning of four Vedas. It is talking about, yes, clear cut meaning of four Vedas. Means four Vedas has been well explained. It has been what? Where the problems are there, so it has been given an explanation of all. And then we can be able to see that it is in the form of prose text contain speculation means meaning of the hymns. I need the meaning. What is the meaning? So explanation is there. Yes or no? Up in the class 9th and 10th, if we have what is Hindi as the one of the subject, Sanskrita, तो वहाँ पे लिखा रहता था explain it. इसको क्या करो आप? Explain it. Then in your words you try to explain it. So clear meaning. So I said that. So the same way Brahmana is what is the explanatory part, clear cut meaning of Vedas. Understood? And give precept for their application. तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? You will get an idea for their application. You relate their own origin in connection with the sacrificial rituals and explain the some secret meaning of the letter. कोई भी secret meaning हो उसको भी आप समझ सकते हैं. जो आप समझते समझते कुछ चीजों को internally you revive. So that is known as a secret meaning. Some meaning I am saying, and all of you are there, but some are getting in some other way. They are also able to correlate the things in other way. Understood? So simple one word Brahmanas is talking about clear cut meaning in the form of explanation. Understood? Of four Vedas. Clear? Aranyakas, and then four Vedas, and then there is a Rig Veda. And Rig Veda has, and what I said, Rig ko kya bolta hu? Rig Vedas, rich. And there is some Brahmanas are there, and you can see here some Brahmanas, and these Brahmanas are like I said that Ettarya Brahmana, and then I said Sankhya, and thereafter I talked about yes. Kausi, Tiki, Brahmanas. And perhaps you remember that I have discussed with you this Kausi, Tiki, Brahmanas. that I said that Jaiminia Brahmanas and Kausitiki Brahmanas, remember when I was teaching him and the Narad and Hanuman that you already at that time Brahmanas, I said Kausitiki and which Jaiminia Brahmanas in the music. So which Brahmana I said that? 3 Brahmanas are there, Aitareya, Sankhya. Suppose I said that one house is there, and this house, this roof is known as Aitareya. One song as the roof of the house is known as what? Aitareya. One song is there earlier, Aitareya par baithal. Dekho aa gaya. So Aitareya means roof. And then rich, this rig rich क्या कर रहा है? He is killing the person और ये बंदे को काट कर so many portion. इन सभी बंदों का टिक्की सर उठा के ले आया है. क्या लाया है? So I said that it is known as I said that. पंडित के ये जो बाल होते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं? What the people used to say? टिक्की बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं? तो क्या किया है इसने? हमने क्या बोला? अटारिया पे क्या रखा है? टिक्की. और उसकी संख्या बहुत सारी है. There is so many numbers and numbers. So what do you say that? संख्या. तो रिच ने अटारिया पर टिक्कियों की संख्या बढ़ा रहा है. डेली ब्राह्मण को खा रहा है और किस पे रख रहा है? Aitareya. Aitareya, Sankhya, Kausitiki. Aitareya, Sankhya, Kausitiki. You remember that Buddha has learned Sankhya Darsana, not Sankhya Brahmana, through the Alar Kalam. Alar Kalam was one of the teacher. Yes. And then Sankhya, which he had learned, just tell me, Sankhya Darshan. That is in a kind of philosophy. That is in a philosophy. And Sankhya Darshan का मतलब होता है, what is the meaning of Sankhya Darshan? Yes, free from physical pain and mental pain. It is talking about, yes, free from. And why you have a physical pain? The Buddha itself said that your desire is a cause of physical pain and mental pain. And the day he got it, he got its what? Nirvana. Yes or no? So Sankhya Darsana he learned. And then I said that आप लोगों को स्मृति लिटरेचर में वो बताऊंगा. That is we are doing right now. Which literature? श्रुति. And then Kausitiki Brahmanas. ये याद हो गए? Yes. Aitareya, Sankhya and Kausitiki. And he is explaining to whom? Rig Veda. It is in a clear cut meaning. Thereafter there is a verse. Yes, tell me which Vedas? Sorry. Sam Veda. मैं Sankhya लिख रहा हूँ. Sam Veda. And the temperature decreases by the evening. Do you know that? Temperature decreases by the evening slowly and slowly. और ये mountains पे रहोगे तो धीरे धीरे आपका temperature decrease होगा. तो mountains में you started what is in a what? Completely ठंडा बढ़ते जाएगा. Coldness it will keep on increasing. And then you will become बर्फ की तरह जम जाओगे. So I said that ठंडी से क्या हो गया? ठंडी. Tandya Brahmana. And which? Jaiminia Brahmana. So Jaiminia is what? I have talked about Jaiminia, and Kausitiki Brahmana is for what? Music. Tandya Brahmanas और ये Sam Veda क्या कर रहे हैं? It is in explaining this. Another part I said that Tandya Brahmana, it is written over there. मैं कुछ अलग से नहीं लिख रहा हूँ. And thereafter I said that which Brahmanas, which Veda? Rig Veda. Sorry, Yajur Veda. And Yajur Veda, अजय. और जो बंदा अजय होता है वो सामने वाले को क्या कर देता है? आधा वारी तो कर ही देता है, लेकिन हारने के बाद the other person when he defeated, what happens? सातों दिन सतपथा. सातों दिन क्या होते रहता है? नहीं समझे? यहां मत पढ़ो, ये पढ़ो। सतपथा, तो अजय हिमबंध हारने वाले का क्या करता है? सतपथा ब्राह्मण एंड विच ब्राह्मण आई सेड दैट? Teria Brahmana. Understood? And thereafter I said Atharva Veda. Atharva Veda. Atharva Veda is ATHAR, और कुछ लोग लिखते हैं